Okay, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So with respect to fragments, we have learned four fragments. Mudaf, mudaf ilay, sifa mausuf, and then we learned jar majroor. And today in the first session we learned um, ismul ishara, musharun ilay. Okay, so these are fundamental topics. You cannot learn Quran without these fragments. So revise them if you can. We will revise them in the next class as well, but you should revise it in your own time and be comfortable with those concepts. Today, now we are going to, inshallah, learn something new. Not very complicated, very simple in concept, but something new. It is called Nawasibul Ism. Other name for it, Inna wa akhawatuha, meaning Inna and its sisters. Nawasibul Ism. So what are they and what they do? Nawasibul Ism change the status of the ism that comes after them to nasab. So like jar majroor, we learned 11 words. When any of those words show up in Quran, there will be an ism after it, right next to it. Hmm? And that ism will be in always jar status. It's a similar concept. We have a set of words, they are not 11, they're much less in number. What are they? Inna, anna, ka'anna, layta, lakinna, la'alla. Only 6, not 11. So very easy to memorize. Inna means indeed or no doubt. Anna means that. Ka'anna means as if. Layta means would that, or I wish or we wish, depends on how it is used. Lakinna means however or but. La'alla means perhaps, or you can also say maybe. So I wasn't planning to teach it today, but I'm doing that now. So I didn't give you a heads up on this that we should be memorizing, but now I'm telling you that. Memorize these 6 words and their meaning. Like you did, like you memorized the jar, the huruf jar. Similar to that, memorize these 6 words. Not only it will help you, um, you know, find see their effect, how they affect nouns, but also as a vocabulary. They are used in Quran quite often. So, what do they do? As I said, when they show up before an ism, they change the status of that ism to nasab. Nawasib is a plural word, a broken plural. The singular will be nasib. Nasib is the one, so each one of them is a nasib. Inna is a nasib, anna is a nasib, ka'anna is a nasib, and similarly the other three. They are nasib. And collectively, they are nawasib. Nawasib is a broken plural of nasib. Nasib is the word that changes the status of an ism that comes after it to nasab or makes it mansoob. So these are nawasib and they change the status of an ism that comes after them to mansoob. Okay, let's see. This is a sentence. Allahu Sami'un Alimun. Allah is always listening, always knowing, always knowledgeable. Allah is always listening, always knowledgeable about everything. Now, I want to use a word inna before it. Okay, I brought it in. Before bringing it in, this was a perfect sentence. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it. Now you brought it. This is not a correct sentence anymore. It is wrong now. Arabs will not speak like this. Innallahu Sami'un alim. This is wrong. Because when inna showed up, it will change the status of the lafzul jalala, Allahu, and it will change to what? Allah. And the new sentence will become Inna Allah Sami'un Alim. Indeed, Allah is always listening, always knowledgeable. Did you see the effect of inna? So now this is a correct sentence. Inna Allah Sami'un Alim. And you see Allah's status, the Ismul Jalala, is now nasab. It is mansoob. Inna, which is a nasib, has changed the status of Ismul Jalala, Allah, to mansoob. Inna is nasib and the Lafzul Jalala, Allah, is mansoob. Okay, let's take another example. Al-insanu lafi khusr. What does it mean? The human, for sure. La means for sure. Fi in. The human is for sure in loss. Khusrin means loss. The human is for sure in loss. This is what it means. This is a perfect sentence. Nothing wrong with it. Now we are going to make a change. We are adding inna before it. We are adding inna before it. My question is this a correct sentence now or not? So I will ask somebody, Abu Bakr Muhammad, is this a correct sentence now after adding inna? Abu Bakr Muhammad? Abu Bakr is not responding. Emma wants to do it. Emma, go ahead.
Shouldn't al-insanu be in nasab status?
So you are saying this is wrong?
Yeah, I think so.
You think this is wrong? If this
Yeah.
is wrong, make the necessary correction, please.
Al-insana, I think.
If you make it insana, can you read it? How it will sound? The whole
Inna
thing.
al-insana lafi khusr.
Yeah, very good. Innal insana. Do you see? So inna is a nasib and al insana is now mansoob. The meaning of insan has not changed. It still means human. Meaning is still the same. But only the status has changed. Indeed, the human is for sure in loss. So this is what inna does. And its sisters. All six of them do the same thing. So inna has five sisters. Inna himself is one nasib, and then it has inna herself is one nasib, I should say, and it has five sisters. Okay, next one. Innahu lakum aduwwum mubin. Question is, inna is here. Where is that ism which should be in nasab status? Where is that ism? That is the question. We need to find it. Is it there or it is absent? That's the question now. Who will be responding? Um, okay. Sister Farheen, what do you think? Do you know what the question is?
No, Ustaz.
We have inna here. Innahu lakum aduwwum mubin. When inna comes, it makes an ism
Nasab
nasab.
status.
Where is that? Where is that mansoob ism
It
in
is
this ayah?
attached to who?
Very good. Who? This who is in what status now?
Nasab status.
Nasab status. Okay, sister. Stay with me, please.
Okay.
Okay. Kitabuhu. There is a who in there as well. Do you see that?
Yes, it's mudaf ilayhi.
So what is the status of this who?
Jari status.
This is jar status. Minhu, there is a who there as well. What is the
Jar
status of this who?
majroor. Status, jar status.
Jar status. Why?
Because jar majroor.
It is jar majroor. Very
Yes,
good. Very good, sister. So you see who, there are three who's here. Who,
yes.
who. One is the first one with inna is in nasab status. In kitabuhu, because this is jar majroor, sorry, mudaf ilay, then this who is in mudaf ilay, and mudaf ilay is always in jar status. So this who is in jar status, and min who is simple, jar majroor. So this who is jar status as well. So remember, thank you, sister. Whenever you see a pronoun, you know, attached to inna or any of its sisters, its status is nasab. We don't look at the haraka. It's Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra, we don't even look at it. As soon as we know that a pronoun is attached to inna or any of its sisters, then that pronoun is it in nasab status. Remember, I told you before that for telling the status of of a pronoun, we have a different set of rules. So this is another rule we learned today. The rule is if a pronoun is attached to inna or any of its sisters, then that pronoun will be in nasab status. It will be mansoob. Okay. All right. Let's continue. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. Inna. Inna is made up of inna plus na. Inna plus na is inna. Inna means indeed we. Okay. So again, the same question. Where is the mansoob ism because of inna? Hmm? Go ahead, Saad.
Is it the additional na to the inna?
Yeah, this is an attached pronoun. Is it not?
Yes, it is.
It is attached pronoun. Attached pronoun attached to inna. So that is why it is in nasab status. Okay, thank you, Saad. Um, Sister Naimat. There is an inna in the
Yes.
next ayah. Inna fi zalika la ayatan lil mu'minin. Indeed, in that for sure is a sign for the believers. So that is the translation. There is an inna. Where is the mansoob ism? There should be one. That's a question for you, sister.
Ayat?
But it is far away from inna, is it not?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's okay. Your answer is correct. When it is jar majroor, they have to be next to each other. They are inseparable. But nasib and its mansoob ism, they can be far away from it. There can be other words which can come in between. Like in this case, there are three words that have come in between. Between inna and its mansoob ism. Fi is first one. Zalika is the second one. La is the third one. Ayatan is the ism which is in nasab status because of inna. If the inna was not there, then it will not be in nasab status. It will be la ayatun. Or it will be ayatun actually. There will be not be la in there. Okay, so what is the purpose of this example? This purpose of this example is to show you that when there is a nasib like this, inna or one of its sisters, the mansoob ism doesn't have to be next to it. It can be at some distance from it as well. It's okay to have some distance in this case. Okay, so that is the ism which is in nasab status because of inna. Okay. Next example, Muhammadur Rasulullah. Everybody should know what it means. Hmm? Let me find someone who can help me with this one. Brother Wahid, can I request you?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, Brother Wahid. So, Brother Wahid, we have here Muhammadur Rasulullah. What does it mean?
We sort of trying to change the done.
No. This ayah, this is not part of an ayah actually, but Muhammadur Rasulullah. What does this mean? Muhammadur Rasulullah. Muhammad is
Muhammad is the
the
messenger
messenger
of
of,
Allah.
yeah, Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. All right. This is a perfect sentence. There is nothing wrong with it. Grammatically, this is good. There is nothing wrong with it. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Muhammadur Rasulullah. Okay. What I'm going to do now is, brother, I'm
Yeah,
bringing in the second word in this list, anna, before it. Okay. And
yeah.
I'm going to make do another thing. I will add a word before it. Ashhadu, I bear witness. Anna, that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadur Rasulullah. Is this correct? Is there a is this sentence grammatically correct?
No, it's not more correct because we need to make a change in between now.
Okay, so can you make that change, brother?
Muhammadan will now become Muhammada.
Muhammadan, huh?
Yeah,
Very good. Is this correct now?
correct now.
Yeah, very good. This is an azan.
Yeah.
This is part of azan. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan. We cannot say Muhammadun because of anna, right? So it is Ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah now. Thank you, brother Wahid. Very well done. So this is all it is, brothers and sisters. This is all what it is. Nawasibul Ism, Inna and its sisters, total of 6 words. Whenever they come in Quran, there will be an ism that will be in nasab status. It will be after this word. May not be right after, maybe at some distance, but it should be there, or it will be there. And remember, when inna or any of these sisters are there and there is a pronoun which is attached to it, we don't look at the haraka of that pronoun. We just simply, without even looking at the haraka, we say it is in nasab status. Simple as that. Okay? And there are more examples here. You see ka'anna, and you see ka'anna fi uzunayhi waqra. Ka'anna means as if. As if in his 2 ears is heaviness, or you can say, um, like not able to hear. What you say? What's the word for it? Uh,
Deaf?
yeah, as if in his 2 ears is heaviness. Okay, I will stick with heaviness. You see, Kanna has come, and where is the mansub ism? Waqra. So it's not right after there. Hmm? كأنهم لا يعلمون. كأنهم لا يعلمون. So what is the mansub ism? Musab Iqbal, what is the mansub ism here? كأنهم لا يعلمون. Are you Musab, are you even there? He may not be there.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Do you know what the question is?
Yes, what is the mansub for كأنهم لا يعلمون?
Because whenever kanna comes, it will make an ism mansub, right?
Yes.
Where is that mansub ism?
So the mansub would be in this يعلمون.
No, Musab, that's not the case. Do you see a pronoun attached to ka'anna?
Hum, yes.
What is that?
Them.
Hum. Say the Arabic word.
Hum.
Yeah. That hum over here. This hum is
Yes.
in nasab. Ya'lamuna is a verb. Is a fail. Okay. So hum
Mm-hmm.
is the ism mansub. For example, over here, وَيْكَأَنَّ اللَّهَ يَبْسُطُ الرِّزْقَ. So you see, the Ismul Jalala, Allah is in nasab status because of ka'anna. Okay. Thank you,
Alright.
Musab. Okay. Layta is similar thing. You see, because of layta, it is mithla. Example of what Karun was given. So this is used as mudaf here. It is light, but you see, it is mansub because of layta. Layta has made it mithla. And over here is laytani kuntu turaba. So again, the question is, in this example, wayakulul kafiru, and the disbeliever will say, Ya laytani, I wish I kuntu turaba, I was dust. The question is, where is the mansub ism of layta? Abu Lade Badmos. What do you think? No response. Brother Abed, what do you think? Where is the mansub ism?
With later, ni would be the ism.
Yeah, ni is the
Also,
attached pronoun here. So that is the
yeah,
ism which is in mansub. Because pronoun is an ism, right? So
yeah.
ni is the mansub ism. Very good, brother. Very good. So again, when it comes to the pronouns, we don't look at the haraka. Lakinna, for example, over Vama Ramaita is Ramaita, Walakinna Allah Rama. Because of Lakinna, it is not Allahu. Otherwise, it will be Allahu Rama. Allah through. But is, however, Allah through. Meaning is still the same. But it is said of Allahu, it is Allah. Okay? وَلَكِنَّ الْمُنَافِقِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. So you see al-munafiqina. If lakinna wasn't there, it will be al-munafiquna. Al-munafiquna la ya'lamun. The hypocrites, they do not know. But because of lakinna, al-munafiquna changed into al-munafiqina. Meaning is still the same. However, the disbelievers, sorry, not disbelievers, the hypocrites, they do not know. Okay, there is another example here. لَكِنِ الرَّسُولُ وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. Can somebody tell me where is the mansubism in this part? Sad.
Ar-Rasulu.
Is it nasab?
I it's yes, if it's nawasibul ism, then it would be have to be.
But Rasulu is there is a dhamma here.
Yeah.
Look at the word lakin. Is there a shutdown noon?
No.
It is not even lakinna, is it?
No.
No. So this was a trick question. It is not lakinna. It is lakin. And because of the joining with ar-rasulu, it got a kasra. Lakinir rasula.
So it's not nawasibul ism.
It is not nawasibul ism. That is why it is the ar-rasulu remained ar-rasulu. It did not change to ar-rasula.
I
Did you get it?
yes.
Yeah. So this was just I added this example, so don't get deceived by this. Lakinna will make the ism mansub, but lakin will not do that. It doesn't have that capability because it is not one of inna's sister, right? Okay, and the last one is la'alla. La'alla sa'ata qaribun. If there was no la'alla, it will be as-sa'atu qaribun. The hour is near. But because of la'alla, we have as-sa'ata. This fatha because of la'alla. And la'allakum ta'qilun. Maybe you will all will understand. So kum here is the attached pronoun to la'alla. So the kum over here is in nasab status. And same thing here. La tadri la'alla Allah yuhdisu ba'da dhalika amra. The lafzul dalala Allah. It is in nasab status because of this. So this is all I wanted to teach you with respect to inna and its sisters. In this course, we will call them nawasibul ism. So memorize these 6 words, inna and its sisters. And now you understand what they do and how they do. And yeah, and the meaning doesn't change, but still they change the word from, change the status of the word to nasab. So thank you everyone for your attention, and that's where we will end this class.